Next, we called Father and Son Carpet Care, $6.95 a room.
Just from looking at it right off the bat, you got a precondition.
Charles also said we needed preconditioning and steam cleaning wouldn't work, but he was a little more truthful about the ads.
It's a marketing tech. It's how they're getting the phone to ring.
Okay.
Okay, once we get there, if that's all you need, fine, but most people need preconditioning.
He brought in his equipment and demonstrated how he could get the dirt out.
See your dirty water right here?
Right.
This is just that spot.
Then he hit us with the price.
I usually get 120 when I do 3 rooms.
120.
Again, we said we just didn't have the money and wanted the basic steam cleaning.
Well, just to spend an hour in here for $16 or $18, whatever it is not worth my hassle.
Okay.
It'd be better for you to rent the rug doctor.
All right.
He refused. The owner of Father and Son Carpet said Charles was a subcontractor and didn't work for him.
Is it a bait and switch?
I have no idea. You tell me.
I'm asking you.
I have no idea.
It looks like it to me. You didn't want to honor the $6.95 a room. No, you didn't. You said go rent a machine. You said go rent a machine.
So you're wasting my time.